OEMs are constantly trying to get a vehicle into closed loop operation faster. How do they do this? Well, they do it with a thermostat. And now they're going to have two thermostats on some vehicles. These thermostats are designed to open up at different temperatures as they circulate coolant around the head and the block. With these, you have to be mindful that some vehicles may have two thermostats. These two thermostats may be listed different in the catalog, so make sure you're looking at the picture to see if you have the correct thermostat for the application. If a vehicle has overheated, it's always a good idea to replace the thermostat and make sure you're replacing both of these. You also may notice codes or DTCs that indicate that the system is not reaching proper operating temperature. This could be due to either the front thermostat or the rear thermostat on some of these vehicles. So make sure you're examining the system for two thermostats. Some vehicles like VW and Audi, they may use a cooling system valve that routes it through different parts of the cooling system, including the heater core. So keep in mind that the diagnosis may be a little bit more complex on some of these more modern vehicles. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.